Hi, welcome back to the Senior Network. I'm Becky Davis, and now I'm joined with Nona Story from the Cypress of Hilton head. She is our broker in charge, and she is my co-worker. I was going to say,
good friend.
And good friend. I was going to say, and my best friend. So welcome again. Great to see you.
Thank you. It's always good to be here.
Well, and yeah, it was great to see you like 10 minutes ago, and
Yeah.
thank you for coming in again. So tell me what, I always like to give a little overview of what the Cypress is,
Sure.
and then we'll talk about the upcoming events for April.
All right, so the Cypress is a continuing care community right here in Hilton Head Plantation, actually. So we have that 24-hour security, which I always think is such a nice benefit.
Big deal.
And also the benefit of living inside the community, which is really awesome, of Hilton Head Plantation. And I'd say that most of the folks that we work with are probably 75 and better.
Okay. Better.
Lots of activities, I know. Lots of activities, and it's a very independent community. But what I always like to say is that we happen to have a health center, a skilled care center right on site for the members. So if you need it, as we age, it's right there for you.
That's right. That's and we do a great job with that too. And so let's talk about the open house that we're going to have. So
finally,
I know
it's been 3 years. Is it? You think?
Yeah, last one was in fall of 2019.
Wow. Yeah.
So so we're going to have
in person,
and we're going to have an in-person open house, and on April the 28th. So tell everybody what to expect.
1 to 4. So Becky's sort of the leader on this one, and you're so awesome with that. And so we get, what do you have, 19 or 16
Oh, and then
homes?
we have 14 different accommodations on tour, or all the different model types.
Different model types on the tour, and most of the folks that live in these homes are going to play host or hostess.
Which is always
and
fun.
then of course we have other members who volunteer to help out as well. And I love it because, you've got all these folks that are coming to see the Cypress and walk through the different homes, but what I like the best is they get to talk to the members.
Yeah,
I mean, they're the best.
It's
they
a
are
3-hour
so
testimonial, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
All afternoon.
Yeah.
So that's really fun. I think we're going to have a really big crowd, Becky.
Yeah,
I mean, what do we usually have, about 300 people?
Well, anywhere from 300 to 450.
But
yeah, this
I mean,
year
these
there's a
folks have been
pent-up interest.
Pent up, so it'll be good.
Yeah, in the past we've been just doing virtual tours, which it's just not the same. And this way they get to feel and touch and talk to the members, and spatially they can see how nice they are and how roomy our accommodations are. Everything from a 1-bedroom apartment to a home on the Intercoastal Waterway.
That's right.
They can really see the quality of construction, but also the services, because I know the clubhouse is going to be on tour.
Will the health center be on tour?
The health center is on tour as well, but that's always subject to change given any type of COVID restrictions. But for right now, we're hoping it will. And what kind of role do you play in this big event?
It's just very simple. I mean, we as you know, we have the registrations in the Cypress Hall.
Right.
So everybody comes there, and we'll have about 8 people. Checking people in and helping them register and giving them a little update of what's going on and where to go, and depending on their interest.
And it is a self-guided tour.
Yeah.
And you do get we don't send you out blindly. You do get a map that kind of shows you what's on tour. And then our transportation department, how much fun do they have taking people around?
They love it.
On golf
They're
carts.
so proud of the community, and that again, it's just a real positive. Atmosphere.
Well, I cannot wait for April the 28th. It will be here before you know it. Happy spring.
Yeah.
And campus is looking great. Another reason to have an open house.
That's right.
And thank you again, my friend.
Thank you for having me.
I'll see you back in the office here in a little bit.
You got it.
And thank you for watching the Senior Network, where we talk everything senior services, senior housing, and thank you, and bye for now.